It's episode 5. Welcome back to the Mission Report. We've added a bunch of features across the products and improved usage transparency with the redesigned Quota dashboards. Today, we'll also go over some features you may have missed, and we're back with a Q&A. So hold on to your keyboards and get ready for launch. Starting off, we have completely redesigned our model quota dashboard. In the Models tab of the settings screen, you can now easily see how much of the 5-hour and weekly quota you have used versus what's remaining. You may have missed this one, but workspaces have officially been renamed to projects. Think of a project as the boundaries and scope you set for your agent. A project can group a single folder or multiple folders, like separate front-end and back-end repos, giving your agent the complete required context. You can customize settings, security configurations, or rules for each project independently without messing up your global preferences. We now have native support for PDFs. You can drag and drop PDF documentation directly from your file system or attach them using the media option in the Add Context menu. This gives your agent direct access to files like product specifications, system documentation, or design manuals without you having to manually extract the text. We've added native support for audio files, so you can play and preview audio files directly inside the Sidebar File Viewer and Artifact Viewer. And for text, we've improved how markdown.md files are rendered. You can now easily toggle between the clean, fully formatted preview and the raw markdown content. And if you ever get stuck, the built-in Antigravity guide is there to help, directly within a conversation. It works entirely under the hood, answering questions and walking you through features directly. Finally, let's talk about slash commands, which are fully supported in both Antigravity 2.0 and the CLI. They are specialized prompt shortcuts to help you guide your agent. They've been around for a little bit and are some of the most powerful under-the-radar features. The slash command grill me starts an interactive Q&A session where the agent interviews you to map out requirements and edge cases before it begins coding. And when you're ready to build, slash goal tells the agent to execute autonomously, auditing, testing, and verifying its own work until completion, without prompting you for feedback at every turn. And slash schedule lets you set up background timers and recurring cron stop prompts directly in your chat. For those of you who live in the terminal, we've packed the Antigravity CLI with updates to keep you in your flow. We've added a bunch of quality of life improvements like a full screen command editor, LaTeX math rendering, and file path tab completion. There's also an interactive permissions manager and stricter shell command validation, keeping security tight without slowing you down. And the UI is faster than ever. Prompts render instantly, conversation history loads in parallel, oversized pastes are capped to prevent terminal freezes, and much, much more. Check out the changelog for the whole list. Now, let's look at some content from us and our community. First, our head of product engineering, Kevin, walked us through the Antigravity ecosystem. Whether you're on Antigravity 2.0, the IDE, the CLI, or using the SDK, whatever your workflow is, we've got a surface for you. During Google I/O, we hosted a booth showing off a digital multi-agent simulator world. Virtual avatars of attendees interacted autonomously inside a space station built using the Antigravity SDK. And if you missed it, Antigravity was featured on the Agent Factory, showing how to go from a single voice prompt to a fully deployed multilingual app. Check it out for tips on orchestrating parallel subagents and managing your code base. Question 1. It was unclear to me why you used the SDK versus using 2.0, the IDE, or the CLI. In the video, we wanted to just show all of the services, and there is definitely overlap on when you can use them. But one unique aspect of the SDK is that you can customize core parts of the agent harness, such as the system instruction and tools. The other surfaces package the agent fully within the product surfaces themselves. So if you are just trying to use an agent to build software, 2.0, the CLI, and the IDE are ideal. But if you are looking to build a custom agent-powered product or experience yourself, definitely check out the SDK. Next question, can we get an Antigravity mobile app, better MCP connections and tools, and direct connections to your other products? There's a lot of great ideas there, and for that last point, if you have not yet checked them out, there are a number of plugins to build with other Google products and tech stacks. These can be found within the Customizations tab of the Settings panel. We're going to be adding more here and expanding the plugin marketplace in general. Last question, does anyone know how to use custom agents in Antigravity? Stay tuned. As models have gotten more and more intelligent, we are cleaning up and rethinking the agent customization primitives that we should make available within the product surfaces themselves. but as I answered in an earlier question, definitely check out the Antigravity SDK to build custom agents today. And that's a wrap on episode 5. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. Also, let us know what you're building with Antigravity. We'd love to feature it on the next episode. Until then, see you on the next mission report.